Hi, this is Kevin from EyouAgro. One common question apple growers ask is, how much does hail netting cost for an apple orchard? In general, the cost depends on your orchard size, row spacing, tree height, net type, installation system, and local hail risk. For apple orchards, hail protection is especially important because apples are sold by appearance and quality grade. Even if the fruit is still edible, hail marks, skin damage, and bruising can reduce its market value. In some cases, damaged apples may be downgraded from fresh market fruit to processing fruit, which means a much lower selling price. So, when we talk about hail netting cost, we should not only look at the price of the net, we should also look at the value of the crop being protected. A basic hail netting solution may be suitable for orchards with moderate hail risk and a limited budget. But for commercial apple orchards, growers often need stronger nets, better UV protection, reinforced edges, and a reliable support system. These features increase the upfront cost, but they can also improve durability and reduce replacement risk. Another important factor is orchard layout. Your row width, tree height, block shape, and total covered area will affect the required net size and accessories. If the orchard needs poles, cables, clips, ropes, or custom-sized net panels, these should also be included in the total cost. In simple terms, for apple orchards, hail netting is not just a weather protection product. It is a way to protect fruit grade, harvest stability, and long-term farm income. The right system can help reduce hail damage, improve fruit appearance, and protect your investment over many seasons. At EyouAgro, we help apple growers choose suitable hail netting based on orchard area, row spacing, local weather, installation method, and target service life. If you are planning a hail protection project and need more than 50,000 square meters of hail net, contact us for a practical cost recommendation. Thanks for watching and see you next time.